Okay, go.
Hey guys, welcome to Cardo's YouTube channel. Today, this is our first video, our first ever build. We're working on 2013 Volkswagen GTI. This is Mark 7. We got this off the auto auctions and here in the local area. We just actually started on this car. The only thing we've done so far is replace the door. We took off the door panel. We went to a junkyard and pulled a door off a donor car basically. It doesn't have too much of a major damage. The only stuff we actually have to work on is the bottom side skirt. We're gonna have to replace the fenders. The lights are in good condition. Bumper was in good condition. We're just gonna need to sand that down and paint it all down. So let's take a quick tour around the car and show you guys some of the stuff that comes with it and some of the stuff that we're missing. So in the front, we're missing both of the hardware basically for the fenders. The fenders were trashed. Here's one of them right now actually. Both of them were pretty much like this. No airbags were deployed, thankfully. I'm not even sure how I got this beat up, but we're missing the hardware for the front, the hardware for the lights, the hardware for the bumper. So we need to get all new brackets, all new clips. Everything is pretty much good. The lights were in perfect condition. Like I said, I'm not really sure what actually happened to it. The airbags were not deployed. Besides that, the car is in great shape. It runs, it starts. Okay guys, so now let's go on the inside real quick and take a quick peek. So like I said, the car is in great condition. Right now it's missing the passenger door panel because we took it off to put the new door on. So on the dash, there is a ton of codes, as to be expected. The lights aren't even plugged in. There's tons of stuff that's missing. But once we, get a lot of that stuff buttoned up, a lot of that's gonna go away. It turns on just fine. No problems whatsoever. Like I said, tons of lights, tons of codes. For some reason, the airbag light's on, which is something that we're gonna have to diagnose and check with the dealership. Besides that, it sounds great. It works amazing. We drove it around already around the block, and everything works. It's really clean. Nothing's really wrong with it. Besides that, let's pop the hood real quick to show you guys what's under there. Okay, guys. So underneath the hood, standard Volkswagen GTI engine. The turbo for this engine sits in the back. Besides that, everything's pretty much, good to go. It has an aftermarket air intake, K&N, sorry. Besides that, there's nothing really wrong with it. I mean, it starts fine. It was low on oil when we got it. Just have to put some oil on it and it works fine. It's covered in some, horrible looking decals, but we're gonna get that all cleaned up and we're gonna get it all buttoned up. Okay guys, so if you'd like to follow this build, like, subscribe, comment. Feel free to just drop a comment. Let us know what you'd like to see on that GTI and we'll get it all taken care of for you guys. So feel free to just hop back in here. We're gonna be dropping videos sometime soon this week and we'll let you know. Have a great day.